Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change autofill settings in Google Password Manager in 2026. This guide works on Windows and Mac using the Google Chrome browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, click Settings. On the left side, click Autofill and Passwords. Now click Google Password Manager. After that, click Settings from the left panel. Here you will see the main autofill options. The first option is Offer to Save Passwords. Turn this on if you want Chrome to ask whether you want to save new passwords when you sign into websites. The next option is Sign in Automatically. Turn this on if you want Google Password Manager to automatically sign you in to saved accounts. Turn it off if you prefer to confirm before signing in. You may also see Verify It's You before autofilling passwords. Enabling this option adds an extra layer of security by asking for your device verification before passwords are filled automatically. You can also manage passkeys and other password-related settings from this page. Simply turn any option on or off based on your preference. Your changes are saved automatically, so there is no Save button to click. That's it. You have successfully changed the autofill settings in Google Password Manager. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.